Hello, I'm Harold Weiser with the Weiser Law Firm. I'm going to take a moment out right now to discuss a little bit about Orleans Parish Traffic Court and the ins and outs of how Orleans Parish Traffic Court operates. Orleans Parish Traffic Court is different than Jefferson Parish, First Parish Court, Second Parish Court, Gretna City Court, St. Bernard Court. Orleans Parish is its own entity, and there are some pluses and minuses to operating and practicing as an attorney in Orleans Parish Traffic Court. The first thing is that someone gets a ticket or a summons or a citation, however you want to call it, from a police officer. Now, we're not talking about camera tickets because those wound up at 1250 Poydras Street in front of an administrative hearing that does not go in front of a judge and is not a criminal proceeding by any stretch of the imagination. But once one person receives a summons, for example, we'll use a very simple thing, speeding. So a client is given a speeding ticket, and client contacts, in our instance, the Weiser Law Firm for assistance in regarding that ticket. And most clients either do not want to have to take the trouble or time to go to court on multiple trips. Two, do not want it on their insurance record and therefore have to pay more. Or three, just don't have the funds to pay such a high amount on certain citations because the price can go up exponentially depending on how fast you're speeding or how many additional charges that a person has. And one ticket, for example, driving with a suspended driver's license with a city violation is $512 and a license suspension of 1 year. So some of these tickets do get a little bit excessively priced. And again, some parishes and some places are even more expensive than New Orleans. But on this summons, you get a notice to appear in court. And for example, it'll say appear on January 1st. Really wouldn't say that because that's a holiday, but I'm just using that as an example, at 9 a.m. in the morning. As opposed to a person having to go to court, wait in line, and then decide to either pay the ticket and admit guilt or plead not guilty and get a trial date, they generally will hire us. We go to court and we get, in most opportunities, if the client has not appeared already, we get the opportunity to place the citation into a specific court section. There is Court A, B, C, and D. Section A and B, Judge Cade and Judge Jones are in the morning at 9 a.m. and then the other two sections are at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So it just varies. I mean, it depends on when the attorney has the opportunity to go in there, and it also varies on what city attorneys are working that particular day. Some people fill in for other ones, and if there's an excessive amount of people, all of that will determine the outcome of how the ticket is set. Now, some people get a contempt of court violation by missing court. And when they have a contempt of court, the court itself may send a notice to the Department of Motor Vehicles in Louisiana. If they have an in-state driver's license, once that notice is sent, the driving privileges are suspended. If they have an out-of-state driver's